Join me as I whip up a high-protein breakfast that promises to keep you full for hours. Let's see if it really works. Starting your day with a high-protein breakfast can be a total game-changer. Not only will it give you the energy boost you need to tackle your morning, but it'll also help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of mid-morning snacks and energy crash. We've all been there. You wake up, grab a quick breakfast, and before you know it, you're starving again. It's frustrating, right? The problem is, many traditional breakfast options just aren't designed to keep us full. Cereal, toast, and even some breakfast bars are all high in carbs and low in protein, making them no match for our rumbling tummies. And don't even get me started on the so-called healthy breakfast options that are actually just sugar disguised as fruit. I mean, who hasn't been duped by seemingly innocent-looking granola parfait, only to find themselves crashing an hour later? It's like, what's the point of even calling it the breakfast if it's not going to keep me going till lunchtime? So, what's the solution? Well, that's where this amazing high-protein breakfast recipe comes in. It's easy to make, packed with nutrients, and will genuinely keep you full until lunchtime. And the best part? It's not some fancy-schmancy dish that requires a million ingredients and hours of prep time. No, this is a simple, straightforward recipe that you can whip up in no time. Okay, so here's what you'll need. 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, 1 large egg, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a handful of mixed berries. Simply combine the oats, protein powder, and egg in a bowl. Mix until well combined. Then add in the almond milk and berries. Stir until you get a thick, creamy consistency, and voila! You've got yourself a high-protein breakfast masterpiece. So, as you can see, this dish is a total winner. The protein powder and egg give it a serious protein boost, while the oats and almond milk keep you full and satisfied. And let's not forget those berries. They add a burst of flavor and antioxidants to boot. This high-protein breakfast is not only delicious, but it's also ridiculously easy to customize. Want to add some nuts or seeds? Go for it. Need a dairy-free alternative to almond milk? No problem. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and versatility. So, what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try and see for yourself just how full and satisfied you can feel after breakfast. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share your own favorite breakfast recipes in the comments below. If you're looking for more healthy recipe ideas, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.